Aloha, I'm Jolly Albee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to Waikiki as part of my birthday celebration. This is the room at Queen Kapiolani Hotel here in Waikiki where we are staying. And this is the view at the balcony. You are going to see Diamond Head. That's our view. There's actually a wedding happening at the hotel. It was nice to witness their marriage. Congratulations to the newly married couple. Coincidentally, there is a Harry Potter movie marathon on cable. This is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, the Wizard's chess scene. Ron, watch out! Oh. Aloha, I'm Jolly Albee. I'm here at the balcony of our hotel room. I'm having the best view right here. I see Diamond Head. The sunset is almost here. There was a couple getting married earlier. And then there's the ocean right there. Oh, there's some sailboats. There's a lot of people today here at Magic Island waiting for the fireworks. And it's gonna start pretty soon. This is actually a weekly event every Friday. People come here to watch the 5-minute fireworks show. We found our spot. Hopefully the fireworks gonna be right here. I feel like the fireworks gonna start pretty soon. Like in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There it is! I knew it! Fancy boat incoming. Look at those lights. So after the fireworks show, people started leaving, but some stayed behind, but we did not. We went back to the Queen Kapiolani Hotel, and these are the wall decorations and art pieces that are in the hotel. As you can see, this floor has more art pieces. Oh, I don't have I'm just gonna do a voiceover. I don't have my mic. And this is the hotel's gym. I can never copy that yoga pose. So I went straight to the rowing machine and I did some rowing, but then I realized that I forgot to strap on my feet. but I did like couple rows. I tried. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. We are still here at Queen Kapiolani Hotel. We have here. We have a table and 2 chairs here with this beautiful arrangement that matches our luau theme for my birthday. And I woke up with this view. Diamond Head, so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and get some breakfast. So I'm hungry. Let's do this. Is that McDonald's right there? We might end up going there for breakfast. Look at those gangsters. It's a long line. We're here at International Marketplace. And we're looking for food store so we can eat breakfast. Look at it! Look at this tree right here. Okay, that's it. Here is another clip of Adventures of Al with an animal. This bird is grooming itself. Okay, already. You're getting closer to me now. Good. And one of the highlights of this weekend is playing Tekken 8. As of this moment, my favorite character to use is Xiaoyu, and that's me on the first player. I also customized that look. I love the combination of blue and pink, and obviously Xiaoyu has to wear glasses as well. I guess that's our brand. But I've been playing Tekken ever since. My first Tekken game was Tekken 2 back on PS1 back in the day, decades ago. And I've bought all of the Tekken games ever since, even the Tekken Tag games as well. So yes, I'm enjoying Tekken 8 right now, and I can't wait to download more characters. And KO! At this time, we are looking for something to eat for lunch. We went to these food trucks, and let's see if we can find something good. The birds are very notorious. Before this clip, I saw a bird went straight to somebody else's plate to grab food. Too bad I wasn't able to film it, so I tried filming it with this bird. However, this bird seems to be unsuccessful. Sorry, birdie. Thanks for watching, guys. Watch out for the next episode. It's gonna be so much fun. Mahalo, aloha, bye.